Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a theme in Shopify. First, visit shopify.com, then click on Login. Log in to your account. Now that you're inside your Shopify account, click on Online Store. Here below says Channels and select Themes. Now, the current for this online shop is this one called Feather, and this third one is the original one, and this is an added free theme. To delete this free theme, just click on these three dots next to it and select Remove. Confirm your action, but before that, remove themes cannot be recovered. You still want to continue? Yes. Theme, remove it. And now if I refresh this page, before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. The current theme is not existing or showing anymore. And let's say you want to delete your current theme. To do that, hit this publish button next to another theme from your library in order to have this delete option next or remove next to your current theme that is now not the current one. And this is how to delete a theme in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.